welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty, and I'm back with another video for you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of things here on my channel, including wig reviews, and today is one of them. If you're one of my loyal Royal subscribers and you're back, thank you. Love you guys. Thanks so much for your love and support. And today's wig review is brought to you by Zury Hollywood. I just did one for them, and this one will be up before this one. So make sure you check it out. I will put a link up here somewhere for you guys to click on that, as well as the description box if you like this one. Before I even get started, you already see this pink box. You already know what time it is and how much I love these pink boxes from Zury Hollywood, because any wig I have received in this box, why is it beat up like this? Come on. That it didn't come like that. I did that. But any packaging that comes like this, any box that I've received so far, any wig that comes in this box has been bomb. Y'all remember Biz? And this wig came in a pink box as well. This one, I have no doubt. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Before we do that, this is a 360 unit, and I can't remember if Biz was 360. No, I don't think so. I don't know if I've done a Zury from the Prime collection, done a 360 yet. So many wigs, so many wigs. If it's not, this is my first 360 lace front free parting wig from the Prime collection. I know Zury, I did review a 360 wig, but it was one of the royal blue boxes. Can't remember from what line that is, but it's a royal blue box, and that was a 360, and that was pretty good. But I can only imagine a 360 coming out of here. I'm ready to open it up. But yeah, so this is a 360 unit, and her name is SIA. The stock card looks really pretty. Very pretty, very thick, very full, very long. They sent me is Sombre RT Burgundy. So I'm gonna open it up. It is a human hair blend. All the Prime boxes are human hair natural mix units, and they come with this really nice yaki texture majority of the time. So I'm excited for that. It is a lace front and it is hand tied. So we're gonna open it up. That smell again. I think I told you guys before that some of Zury's wigs come and have this really good smell. I've mentioned it in a couple videos, and I even asked Zury, like, what is that? And they don't know. I found that funny. They don't even know what it is. It's a really good smell, and it's not all the wigs. Some of the wigs, like this one, didn't have a smell at all, but you know it has a smell because as soon as you open the box, you can smell it. Now this is a different packaging. I never see them kind of package it with the paper. So nice. Well, not a full ombre, but like the roots are dark is what I mean. Nice. So I like that. So I can already see that the roots are dark all the way through. Nice. Sorry, out of focus for a second there. We're back. Okay. But yeah. So when the wind blows, it's nice all the way through. Okay. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see from there, but there's like baby hairs. These are pretty long though. These are some really long baby hairs. It kind of takes the work out of it, but I know I don't even do that long of baby hairs. I just do them so that my lace doesn't look obvious. Not enough to be like, come on girl, you ain't got no baby hairs. I don't know about all of that, but I do think they will come in handy because I'll just trim them down. It's nothing. So there's two combs right here. There's one at the nape and a little salt pack. What are those for? Does anybody know what those packets are for? Somebody comment down below if you know what those packets are for. Ooh, and this is different. Okay, so I've never seen two combs at the nape. I never used the combs at the nape, but there's two combs at the nape. Have I seen that before? No. And I think it's because this is a 360. Smart. You can use the comb for reassurance to keep this, you know, a nice flush look at the back. So you can put your hair up. So you can do updos. Okay. Not too crazy, not too much. So you know you don't really have that much back there to work with as far as parting. But who's really parting back there? Like who's really parting back there? You're not really parting back there. You're not. It's just so that it gives you a nice nape look. And it also has baby hairs too. So there's baby hairs in the back too. So you can lay those down and it also gives you a nice little neck look. Okay, so I can't wait to try that, especially since I don't have any hair back there right now. Perfect person to try that out right now. Okay, so the front part, let's see how much parting space. It does have free parting from here to here is the free parting, is what I feel like. That's really the free parting that you're actually looking at. Right here is some lace, but mind you, we're gonna cut this, and then the only little bit that you have right here is here. So that's really how much parting space from here to here that you have within this area right by your ear. This is not too bad. It's not too shabby. At least you know they already did the baby hair part, so all you have to do is just trim them down if you want to, or use the long ones that they have. They made them just about long enough that you can just customize and make them shorter or go with it long. The lace looks good. The lace looks good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, parting looks good. Looks good. Color good. Texture's good. Texture's yucky. I already knew the texture was going to be yucky because those wigs are, I'm telling you, every wig that's come out of those pink boxes, I get excited for those ones. Let's see. Y'all know how I do? Use my razor. Just a little bit, just take a little bit off. I know some of y'all look cringy right now. No girl, that's perfect. No, but kudos to Zury, because that makes sense to do that. They can just do that with all these things, take the drama out of it. And they will actually be really perfect for somebody. I could see somebody rocking the baby hairs that length. Okay, so we're done with that, and because you can part it anywhere within this region, I don't know if I want a middle part yet, or if I want what part exactly I want. So I'm not going to put the setting powder or concealer in it yet. I'm just going to put it on my head, play with it, and then decide. And then I'll put concealer or powder wherever I see fit once I put it on my head. Pretty full. Pretty full. That too. Yes. It's got a nice little swing, and it smells good. It smells good. Oh, look at that. So that's what it's gonna look like basically once you put it up. Something like that. And this is the lace that you have to work with. Back. While I cut it. Some T-pins. Try not to cut the baby hairs. I should move the baby hairs out of the way. That would be smart. That would be smart. So use a comb. There we go. So they're out of the way. There we go. And now you can see the little hairs that they have there for you that make it even more realistic. Because once you lay this down, and the combs are gonna help, because for somebody that doesn't want to like go through gluing down or using the got to be glued or some type of adhesive to keep it at the bottom here onto your nape, because that's usually what you'd have to do to get that updo. The combs are that's very smart. Now you could use the adjustable strap, but that doesn't really hold and keep the wig laying down on your head. So the combs are going to help with that. So that was very smart. Alright y'all, so I really like the texture of this hair. It is really, really nice. It's almost a borderline Biz wig, not to compare it back to Biz, but borderline Biz wig-esque. Biz had more layers. These don't have any layers. It's just straight. I love this one. I think that this is a very easy wear. I didn't have to pluck anything. I did end up putting baby hairs or gelling down the edges just a little bit on both sides, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a natural hairline around there. So that's the only issue that I kind of ran upon, but it wasn't really an issue because once you actually like gel down some hairs in that area, it's fine, it's good to go. So it wasn't that much of a problem, and it did have a lot of shedding. I like it. Very light, comfortable, big head friendly for sure. It's comfortable. Now there's one more thing left to do is put this up.